Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. It's gorgeous outside and I'm about to get a 4-pallet delivery. I think UPS is dropping it off, their freight, and it's going to be from bulk.com. So I'm going to film the whole delivery and the whole process, and make sure you stay to the end because I'm going to give you a sneak peek into the top of all 4 of the pallets. Okay, so stay tuned and we'll watch the delivery come in. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Okay, so here is our delivery. It's delivered by a shortened tractor-trailer semi by UPS. We're going to show you exactly how it's going to attempt to back up into the driveway. So we had this pad poured so that if we wanted, we could just drop it in the road. He's kind of backing into my neighbor's lawn, so let's hope that's not an issue. He's very far into my neighbor's lawn, so he's on our pad, so that's going to be perfect. We'll be able to get everything unloaded easily. And so 4 pallets. So we have our pallet jack already sitting outside. See it leaning against a pole there. And we're going to go ahead and let him pallet jack it onto the lift. He gives me basically the receipt for contact information, tracking information, all that fun stuff. And then once he pallet jacks it onto the lift, we'll pull it off the lift and kind of make the process go a bit faster because he's currently right now blocking my road. So we don't want it to be blocked too long. So we'll go ahead and make sure that we unload as fast as possible. So let's give you a better look here into the back of the truck. So he'll put it right onto the lift gate, lower it down, and then Paul's gonna basically move it from there. So it's really helpful and handy to have a pallet jack. You don't have to. They will take their pallet jack and lower it all the way down for you if you don't have one. But we just found it a lot easy when maneuvering our own pallets to be able to do that. We still have to kind of clean up inside the warehouse to make room for these pallets, and it's a gorgeous day, so we're just going to leave them outside for now, and then we'll be putting them inside in the next few hours. So there's 2 down. Isn't Paul doing a great job? I love bulk boxes. They look so pretty in comparison to what I've been getting from other liquidators. They're just so concise and, you know, they don't have as many items in them, yes, but we got a pretty good deal on shipping on these because we ordered 4 at once from the same warehouse. It's the last one. He's gonna get his liftgate all put away and head on out and make our road available again. Thankfully, no traffic came while he was sitting on the road, so that was handy. Uh-oh. I think we have an issue. Yeah, so he pretty much got stuck because he pulled into my neighbor's yard. We told him he could park on the road, but sometimes this happens. We have no drainage here, and it's been very soft, and we've had a lot of rain, and so it is buried all the way up to the lug nuts. So he currently has called the tow truck, and now we're blocking the road, and it's going to be about 45 minutes. Tow truck is now here, so hopefully they can get it pulled out without damaging the yard too much more. So the tow truck driver actually had a unique idea of just pulling him backwards so that we wouldn't make the rut in the yard any worse. So he gets out, talks to the tow truck driver, hooks it up to the back, and he's going to back him out. Looks like it's working. He wasn't too stuck. I mean, once we get him on the regular pavement, he should be good. Can he pull forward? Yay! We made it! So excited. So, our road was blocked for about an hour from when he showed up. We have only had 2 people come, but they were able to come in a different way. And so he's basically going to pull away and get on his route. And then the tow truck driver is going to be on his way as well. Okay, so we finally got all the trucks and the road is open. It was literally blocked for like 35 minutes, maybe longer. So let's go see the damage. So we actually have a phone call into customer service, so hopefully they can kind of handle all of that.
It's not nearly as bad as we were thinking,
but it's still not good.
Try to call our neighbors. Where are our neighbors right now?
On vacation, thankfully. So hopefully we're going to get this all taken care of and fixed, but if you look, see how deep the rut is? This is how deep the rut is. Not good. So we're going to try to get that handled and taken care of before they get back from vacation. So hopefully we can get it fixed so we don't have angry neighbors. They're usually pretty nice. So this was probably the most dramatic delivery that I have ever had, and thankfully it was really, really bad when we saw it, but we were able to actually take most of the dirt that had piled up along and fill in the hole and resituate the yard so it looked so much better. So here is exactly the finished product afterwards. So it really doesn't look like much of anything happened here at all, and I think once that, kind of settled, everything will look back to normal. And as promised, here are the sneak peeks of all 4 of those pallets unboxing. All right, so we just got all these boxes delivered, and so we're going to go ahead and give you a sneak peek of what's inside. We're just going to pop open the tops and not do a full unboxing, but we want to give you a sneak peek of what's to come in the future. So here is this first one. I love these boxes, they're beautiful. Okay, what's in here? All right. So we've got, looks like kitchen stuff, kitchen appliances. Ooh, an air fryer, chefman, juicer, all that stuff. Okay, so sneak peek 1. Oh, I know you guys want more. No more. That's all you get. All right. Open the other one. I'm going to cut both of these while I'm on this side. Yeah, okay. So then we've got, there's a peek there. We've got toys, Fortnite, some other stuff. That's all you get. That's all you get, just a sneak peek. All right, then this one. Got this one down the middle. That one was taped better. All right. In this one, it is, looks like similar to the first one. We've got more kitchen stuff, so knives and microwave oven and all the such. And then one more behind you guys. We'll go through this. Okay. Ooh, something plush. Soft and fuzzy. Pillow fort, it says. What in the world? I don't know what it is, but we're gonna have to look at it later. Picture frames and stools and soft plush things. All right, that's all you guys get. I know you're hungry for more, but we'll be opening these in the next few weeks, and so make sure you stay tuned to our channel and hit that notification bell so that you know every time one comes out. Well, hopefully you had fun watching the delivery of these 4 pallets from UPS, and remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Woo! That was a delivery and a half, right? Crisis averted, thankfully. So I don't have pallets to ship you, but I do have mystery boxes. So if you love the mystery of watching me unboxing and you want to be a part of that, check out my Hooked on Pickin's mystery boxes. They're Pickin's mystery boxes. They're various different categories. We've got home and kitchen, we've got toys for boys and girls, and we've also got knives ones, and we'll be adding new ones all the time. And of course, my favorite is the mystery of mysteries. You can get them $25, $50, or $75 so that you can have your own unboxing and have fun too. So